For this section, I'm not actually going to do the work. What I'm going to do is go through and show you how to cut it up and what shapes you could or should cut them up into if you're not sure. Okay, let's do autofocus real quick because it's a little blurry. That's better. That's better. Okay, so for number one, you have a bunch of different ways you could cut this up, but I think maybe the easiest would be just like, it's going to be rectangles. So you could cut and have like a big rectangle here, here, and the small one here. Okay. Then rectangle plus rectangle plus rectangle. Number two, you're going to want to cut it right there and right there. And what you're going to have is rectangle, rectangle, and then actually two trapezoids. So the height of each trapezoid is 9, the base is 10 and 20 for each of them, so really you can just do one and double the trapezoid. For number 3, you have a half circle. So you're going to do half the area of the circle. Then you're going to have a trapezoid here. Then you're going to have a triangle, and it's base times height times a half, so the height is 3. Base 1 plus base 2 times a half times 3. And then for this one here, the radius is 5.5. Okay. Number 4. Sorry, I gotta fold this real quick because there we go. Number 4, this is two triangles with the semicircle. So the radius of the semicircle is 10, and this is 10 here, and this is 10 here, and then this is 8. So 1/2 8 times 10, and then double that because the two triangles are congruent. Number 5, you've got a rectangle in the middle here, which is 2 by 5, because that's how big this is here. It's 5, and this is 5. And then you've got two parallelograms that are 4 by 5, so 20, 20, and 10. Number 6 seems difficult, but they've really done it for you. Triangle with a height of 19 and a base of 7. Parallelogram with, because this is a parallelogram. It says parallelogram and sloppy writing, but 10 and 10 and 5. But this is a trapezoid actually. So it's 10 plus 5 times a half times 5, because the height of this is the same height as that trapezoid there. And number 7. 7 is a semicircle with a diameter of 9. So the radius is 4.5. Okay. This one, the radius is 3. And then this triangle here is 6 for the base, 5 for the height. Okay. So you have rectangle, semicircle, semicircle, triangle. This one next, I don't know, it's however you want to cut it up. It's just 3 rectangles. If you cut it the way I did here, this is 5 because it's 5 plus 5 plus 10 that has to equal that whole 20. This height's 4, this height's 15. This is 9 by 10. And then number 9, you've got a semicircle here with a radius of 4 because this diameter is 8 if that's 8. So the radius is 4, height's 10. So semicircle plus parallelogram, and that's it. So you know, I kind of went through and you know, I didn't really do any of the problems, but I kind of broke them up into ways that you can break them up into.